Are you ready for another Dang Nature, You're Scary episode? How about an invertebrate so big it can eat birds? Meet the giant bird-eating centipede. Where can it be found? And how does eating birds help their habitat? We've all seen centipedes in our back garden, but have you ever seen centipedes like this? These are Phillip Island centipedes, and they might be the creepiest of all the crawlies. They're monsters that can grow up to 30.5 centimeters long. Giant centipedes live all over the world, but this particular species lives only on small, secluded Phillip Island in the South Pacific. Now I know where not to go. They're nocturnal hunters, and they grow to their massive size by eating other creatures like scorpions, lizards, and even bats. But these invertebrate giants also have a taste for something else. Every year, the Phillip Island centipedes feast on nearly 3,700 seabird chicks, particularly the black-winged petrel chicks. The centipedes can do this because of their fatal venom. It's so strong that they can kill people and prey 15 times bigger than they are. The venom devastates the victim's respiratory, cardiovascular, and nervous systems. That's bad news for the birds. But the centipedes didn't always thrive at the top of the island's food chain. When humans first inhabited Phillip Island, they brought farm animals with them. That harmed the centipedes' habitat and caused their population to plummet. Fast forward to the present day. The island is uninhabited and free from foreign species. Seabirds colonize the unoccupied island, and the centipede has made an astounding comeback. One reason for their triumphant return could be their opportunistic feeding habits. Seabird chicks aren't part of the centipede's usual diet, but while a chick is still in the nest, it's way too nutritious to pass up. But before you think the seabirds' populations are threatened by the Phillip Island centipede, don't worry. There are up to 19,000 breeding pairs of birds on the island, so there's plenty to go around. The nightmarish centipedes have one more trick up their sleeve. By preying on the seabird chicks, they benefit the whole island. Seabirds bring in lots of nutrients from their ocean-based diets and share them with their chicks. By eating the chicks, the centipedes get much-needed nutrients from the sea and distribute them around the island. Also, conservation efforts have stopped on the island, and with the help of the centipedes' nutrient transfers, the forest is regenerating. Talking about creepy crawlies, have you ever wondered if cockroaches can survive everything? Why not check out that video to find out more? They have deadly toxin that can kill birds, and they help keep their island ecosystem thriving. That's what Phillip Island centipedes do, and that's what makes them crazy creatures.